आ गया जिसका इंतजार था, आ गया। 14th Gen 13 Intel i7 14700HX 4060 16 GB RAM. Unsure if it's dual or single channel, I do not know. 1 TB SSD. It says Gen 4, it is Gen 3. You can have my personal guarantee. 14700HX. Is it really 14700HX? Because everything has changed in the new, not in terms of thermal, things have changed. They have removed the fan from the sides, and also they are only providing 230 watt charger with this CPU GPU combination, when they should have been providing 300 watt charger. We do not know if this is a good deal or not, but what we do know that uh, such laptop exists both on Lenovo's website and on Amazon, but this will take, I think, some time to reflect. However, links are both there. The laptop's cost is 123790. This is not how much this laptop will cost. This laptop will not cost this little. This laptop will cost a bit more because this is a non-customized variant. Okay, so the 5% cost. This will be its cost, 1,10,000, not 5,000. So this laptop is 1,09,000. How is it so? Here is the breakup. 123790, 30,000 total, this much, coupon discount this much, you can take it from me. Credit card cashback is only 5,000 on LOQ laptop, since this is not since this is not a CTO machine. LOQs have only 5% cashback. Okay, if however you select the configured LOQ from here, if you however select this similar configuration, you also have a chance to go with the 1440p screen. Along with that, you have, you can see, in terms of customization, I don't think there is a lot more. I don't know about Office, if it has it or not. Let's assume it doesn't have. Anyways, oh yeah, Amazon. Just, anything about Office? Okay, there it says Office, but I don't know. I honestly don't know. Let's see. 123790. If you get customized variant, this is the cost. If you get the non-customized, you get it for 1,01,000. That is what I have written here. 1,01,000 for the customized variant, 1,09,000 for the non-custom variant. You can get it right away. This will take, in average, in the past, it says taken 23 days. Lately, many orders were getting cancelled even after the time of delivery. There was significant amount, both in AMD and Intel, and uh, delayed deliveries. Okay, sometimes it says 23, it might take 31, 32 days. It has happened. Anyways, the problem is not that. The problem is this laptop worth anything? So we are waiting for some reviews, basically thermal reviews, and how much, because this 17,000 score, if it hits it, I don't know if it can comfortably. This is our main concern, this 17,000 score. If it is only 13,000, 12,000, then so yeah, laptop is there. Okay, laptop is there, and I am as confused as you are about how this laptop will perform or how it will not perform. That's all.